Mongoose helping wild pig eat parasites, an unlikely wildlife partnership. Deep in the African wilderness, a wild pig stands completely still. Instead of running away, it calmly allows a small mongoose to climb onto its body. What happens next is one of nature's most surprising moments. The mongoose begins searching through the pig's coarse hair, removing ticks, fleas, and other parasites one by one. This remarkable partnership helps both animals survive. In the wild, every meal counts, and every parasite can become a serious problem. Wild pigs constantly battle blood-sucking ticks, fleas, and other tiny pests that weaken their bodies and spread disease. For a hungry mongoose, these parasites are a nutritious meal. For the pig, having them removed brings comfort and better health. Together, they demonstrate how cooperation can benefit completely different species. Wild pigs spend much of their lives rooting through mud, grasslands, and dense vegetation. These habitats are filled with ticks waiting to latch onto passing animals. Once attached, parasites feed on blood, irritate the skin, and can transmit dangerous diseases. A heavy infestation may cause weight loss, infections, and constant discomfort. Even powerful animals struggle against these tiny invaders. The mongoose arrives. Known for their speed and fearlessness, mongooses are always searching for food. Their sharp eyes quickly detect parasites hiding among the pig's thick hair. The wild pig remains surprisingly calm while the mongoose carefully searches every part of its body. Using its sensitive nose and nimble paws, the mongoose picks off tick after tick, swallowing each one as a protein-rich snack. Every parasite removed means one less threat to the pig's health. This relationship benefits both species. The mongoose receives an easy meal without chasing dangerous prey. The wild pig enjoys relief from irritating parasites that drain its blood and energy. Although mongooses are not as famous as arkspeckers or cleaner fish, they sometimes take advantage of opportunities like this when conditions allow. Nature often rewards cooperation in unexpected ways. More than just cleaning. Removing parasites can improve the pig's overall well-being. With fewer ticks feeding on its blood, the pig has more energy to forage, defend itself, and care for its young. Meanwhile, the mongoose gains valuable nutrition that helps fuel its active lifestyle. Even a tiny parasite can become an important food source when multiplied by hundreds. The African wilderness is filled with fascinating partnerships. Birds clean buffaloes. Cleaner fish remove parasites from sharks. Some animals rely on insects to clean wounds. While mongoose grooming of wild pigs is less commonly observed and not a routine, well-established symbiotic relationship, opportunistic interactions like this show how adaptable wildlife can be when food and survival are at stake. Every species plays a role in maintaining nature's balance. From tiny ticks to fearless mongooses and resilient wild pigs, every creature contributes to the incredible web of life. If you enjoyed discovering this amazing wildlife interaction, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on notifications for more breathtaking animal documentaries. Nature always has another incredible story waiting to be told. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.